So finding the dispatching system that can kind of cope with the complexities of our business, all the different marketplaces, the carriers, and bring them all together in such an efficient way has really been invaluable for our business.
So ShadowFoam was set up in 2012. We are a foam manufacturer, so we are making inserts for toolboxes, flight cases, that sort of thing, for people to organize tools, cameras, that sort of thing in various cases.
Well, we've been on a heck of a journey. So it started packing orders in my house, taking them to the post office, queuing with piles, and as the piles got bigger, we realized we needed a system.
The biggest part of it was we need a piece of software that can automate this, because one, it's an absolute pain to do it. It's not something that you can do of just writing down everything manually.
It was just the amount of time you'd waste. You'd have orders coming in that needed to go that day, but you're too busy typing up the previous order's address. Whereas now, it's just everything is one click, and no matter what time the order comes in, it's a simple way of taking the label and getting it out.
With Helm, every order, whether it's from our website, eBay or Amazon, it flows seamlessly into one centralized system. And that way, we can easily track all the orders, anything that's coming through. We've got a dashboard that's hooked up to the API, so every day the guys in production can have a look and see exactly what is needing to be shipped at that time. And it's all thanks to Helm.
So I'd say Helm is pretty much the heartbeat. We can connect all of the different marketplaces with all of our APIs. We can use the APIs of the different couriers and connect it all into one central spot.
We've got all of our data really accurate in one place, and then we can use that to drive our dashboards and pull our stock figures, pull our value of stock, and it's all in one part.
Honestly, the support from Helm has been outstanding. Every time I send a support ticket, or I've got a few emails of people I can email directly, I get a response within maybe an hour, 2 hours, and normally the issue is resolved, I would say, either within that first response or at least a second response.
By using Helm, it's a much smoother operation coming into the morning, and we leave the day knowing that it's all well done.